you know, in school, the project ideas are basically given to you, right, by the professor, or by the nature of the course, or the assignment itself kind of dictates it for you. But as you and I know, in the real world, the stakeholders are looking to you for the project ideas and for the solutions. They don't always know what they're looking for. So can you share some tips or best practices that you've used in the past to help generate ideas, when you're walking into those meetings with stakeholders, and they're kind of saying, okay, Hira, what project ideas or what insights do you have for us? That can be hard for somebody who's new. So how would you advise somebody who hasn't been in that situation before?
No, that's very important. I think that's the thing, right? Getting a project to be able to provide value to that business or to that stakeholder that you're working with. So I think the biggest thing is we come with a lot of analytical, statistical, pattern recognition, programming understanding.